Oh my God, it is snowing in March, 1st of March, today, and it's snowing. 1st of March. I don't know where we're going, but it is snowing. My God. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So it is a morning routine in my life as a mom of three. So this morning it was an Irish breakfast morning. So it is not every morning that is an Irish breakfast morning. So today happens to be the day of the Irish breakfast morning. So I start off by making the breakfast for the kids. So welcome if you're new here. My name is Justina. I have three kids, two boys and one girl. I am from Nigeria, but at the moment we live in Ireland. So welcome back to my channel. So my sausages are cooking and I am trying to slice my okra because I want to make an okra soup when I drop the kids. I will not call it okra soup. I think I'll call it okra stew because this is a different technique to the normal one. Anyway, it can be whatever. It can be soup or stew. But yeah, my children love this okra stew. So I promised them that I'm going to make it on a day that I have time to. So today is the day. I bought this okra earlier in the week and I left it in the fridge so that when I'm ready to cook it, everything is handy for me to cook it. So I'm checking on my sausage as well as I am slicing the okra. You guys know that slicing okra takes time. So it's not something that you can do in a hurry. So I am slicing the okra, but I am still cooking um my breakfast. And I want to slice this okra. The main purpose of slicing the okra as I am cooking breakfast is I want immediately after dropping the kids, immediately I come home from dropping the kids, I just go straight to cooking because I want to cook it this morning so I can take time after to relax. So that is the main purpose of slicing this okra because I feel like the only time that takes time when you're cooking an okra soup or stew is slicing the okra. Once the okra is ready, the soup is as good as ready as yes, well. I'm telling you, it's snowing. It's snowing heavily. Hmm? They say it's going to happen. No, I didn't hear anything. Oh my God, this was how I nearly broke my new Samsung Fold 4. Jesus Christ. So we are all ready for me to go drop the case. The case we are ready for me to step out at the door. The snow was slippery. I fell to my ass. I'm not joking. My ass and my leg were soaking wet. I had to go back and change my clothes, and it was a laugh on the way driving the kids to school because now we're now joking and laughing about it. Now my number one concerns immediately I hit the floor was my phone. I did not care if I break bones, break everything breakable. I was just worried about that phone. Jesus, assuming that phone's crack, huh? That will be the end of the vlog for that day because I will be crying. I will be crying for sure. But thank God the phone did not break. I only broke my ass because my ass now hot for a couple of days. I broke my ass. I couldn't sit on it. Now it wasn't as bad, but I can feel a pinch when I'm trying to sit on it. So yeah, but it became a bit of a laugh throughout the day how I sleep by the door and crack me ass. But yeah, assuming there was a front camera, it could have caught me very well. You could have seen how I fell properly. But because there was no front camera. Anyway, after dropping the kids, I have to go inside the shop because I want to buy a sweet red pepper for my okra. But yeah, and be careful out there. Be careful out there. Anyway, this happened on the beginning of March. I'm only posting this video now, but this vlog was made on the beginning of March. All of a sudden that day, it started snowing early morning that day, and yeah, and it was. I wish it was a day that this kid don't have to go to school that it happened, but it was on a school day. So anyway, I am back home now and I am walking carefully because I did not want my ass to land back on the floor. Anyway, we are now making the okra stew or soup, whichever one. In the pot, I have my meat water and I added palm oil. Now, whenever I cook chicken or cook any meat, I always preserve the water because I use it to cook. It's packed with loads of flavor. So now I am cutting my onions because I am going to blend everything. I'm going to blend a bit of the okra there. I'm going to blend the onions, ginger and garlic, and sweet red pepper. So after blending all my ingredients, I am going to add my chicken. This is air fried chicken, and I have added into the pot. I am mixing everything together. Now the meat, water, and the palm oil have boiled for like 10 minutes at this point. And now I am going to add all my blended ingredients to the pot. My kids love this recipe. They love it whenever I cook okra this way. They absolutely love it because it's sweet. I don't know if it's the red bell pepper that makes it sweet, but it tastes a bit sweeter than normal. So I'm going to add everything in there and allow the whole pot to simmer again for like 10 minutes. Yeah. So these are the seasoning that I'm adding. So I have salt, nutmeg, thyme, and Maggi. No Maggi, sorry, no cube seasoning. So I'm adding everything inside the pot. The pot has been boiling now for 10 minutes. I'm mixing everything properly together. And at this point, the aroma, even you can have this sauce like this without adding any okra to it, because like this it is super tasty and super yummy, and you can have it with a bit of rice. It tastes so good. So now I am going to add my okra in it, and this okra, just immediately I add it because you don't really cook okra, so just give it a minute or a few seconds. The whole sauce is ready. So guys, this is our pot and it is bubbling so fantastic. It smells so amazing, and I can tell you this was absolutely delish. Like my children loved it. We all enjoyed it with fufu. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned. And please, if you have watched and liked this video, please give it a thumbs up because it really means a lot to me. This is telling YouTube that my viewers are really enjoying what they are watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And please do not laugh because I fell. See you guys next time. Bye.